Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download FIFA 24 on PC. Now, as all of you might know, FIFA 24 has recently changed their naming convention. So instead of FIFA 24, it's now called EA Sports FC 24. Now, this game is available on Steam. If I click on this web browser here, you'll see that this is what the game will look like on Steam. But to actually install this game, you can't do it on the browser. You'll have to have Steam installed. So let's go to Steam. So I'm gonna open Steam and I'm going to go to the search bar here and I'm going to type in EA Sports FC 24. So this one, right? I'm going to press enter on it. Now we're going to go add it to cart. Now on here, of course, you'll have to pay. Let's go to continue payment. After that, you will have to fill in your billing details. But after you've paid, you can download the game from your library here. Or if you can't find the library, go to games and then view games library. And you can find FIFA 24 here. And for example, here, if I want to download Counter-Strike, you can see I can just press this button here to play and it'll automatically download it to my PC. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.